This pack helps in brightening the skin and also reduces dark spots, scars, and blemishes. Oatmeal cleanses the skin and soothes inflammation on the skin surface. It also helps to tighten the pores, balances skin pH, and makes it smooth and even skin. Oatmeal has great health benefits for your body, but it can also be used for the overall health of your skin. It moisturizes, protects, exfoliates, and cleanses your skin. Oatmeal also helps boost collagen production, improves your skin complexion, and reduces skin inflammation. Today in this video, I will share Oatmeal Skin Whitening and Brightening Face Pack. Skin Whitening Face Pack Number 1. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons oatmeal, 2 teaspoons sugar and 1½ tablespoon milk. Mix all the ingredients to prepare your DIY face pack for skin whitening. Apply it on the face and any other parts of the body which is suffering from skin discoloration. Massage for 1 minute in circular motion. Oatmeal is nutritionally rich. It has more protein than most grains and also contains numerous vitamins and minerals. It contains antioxidants and a soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which aids several systems of the body. The beta-glucan soluble fiber promotes regular emptying of the bowel and prevents constipation. Skin Whitening Face Pack Number 2. You will need 1 tablespoon tomato pulp, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 to 2 teaspoons oatmeal. Mix all the ingredients to get a paste. Apply it to the face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Wash the face pack off with cold water. You should do this 1 to 2 times a week. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.